Hi, I'm Chris Goodman, and I'm an Alteryx ace and innovator.
And I'm Joshua Burkow, also an Alteryx ace and innovator.
Welcome to Alteryx. In this design pattern, we're going to look at a way of making the same consistent change to multiple fields within our dataset. So if we look at this dataset, we've got North America sales through to global sales, and we can see that there's a million suffix to the data. We want to remove this. So first of all, we're going to bring in a transpose tool, which will reshape our data into a name and a value column. We'll select the key fields that don't need to be transposed. And run that workflow. So we can see now that we've got the name and value column. Now, while we've got the data shaped like this, we'll make the edits to our data. So first of all, we'll use a formula tool. And we'll replace the value and then strip out the word millions and replace that with a blank. Then we'll use a data cleanse tool to remove any additional white space. And then we'll use the select tool to change the data type from a string to a numeric variable type. So in this case, we'll select double. And then finally, we'll cross-tab our data back to reshape it to the input style. So we select the key fields to group by, and then we select name as our column headers, and then we put our values. And then because this is a numeric data type, we need to select sum. I'll add a browse tool. Run the workflow. We can see this is now been reshaped. If we look at the metadata, we can now see our sales data is transformed into a numeric data type. This design pattern can be repeated many times over with just changing the tools inside the Transpose and cross-tab tool. Thank you for watching. Click here to watch more and here to subscribe.